Today we're here at 802 Spring, Unit B. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath in Sausalito. When you enter the house, you're greeted by a large living space in the kitchen with a pass-through. We have a brand new KitchenAid dishwasher as well as new Whirlpool stove and refrigerator. A great bay view right there. The living room is quite large, gives you plenty of space for a dining area as well as a seating area. You have 2 sliding doors that lead out to the patio, which this wood deck is also quite substantial. You have an absolutely spectacular view to come out to in the morning. Carpet is all recently replaced, and each of the room has LED can lights in the ceiling. This is a functional wood burning fireplace. Heading towards the bedrooms, we have our washer and dryer. And then to the right is our bedroom. It gets a good amount of light. And the closet is a fairly standard size with some shelving on the side. This is a utility closet for the heater. And this is the master bedroom. It's a little larger than the other. It could easily fit a king-size bed. Again, can lights in the ceiling. And the closet in this bedroom is also larger. It's about 10 feet long and has some storage along the side. Bathroom was recently remodeled. Plenty of storage in the single vanity. And a shower over the tub. The shower is nice and high for those of us that are tall. And you do have a medicine cabinet behind the mirror. This part of Sausalito, you can essentially always anticipate a gorgeous day with a gorgeous view. From here, it's a very short walk down to the shops and restaurants along Caledonia.